Hi beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Prody, and if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please feel free to join the family by subscribing to my channel, turning on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will get notified. So in today's video, I'm about to show you guys a DIY skin mask to brighten up your skin, reduce acne, scars, and hyperpigmentation. So if you are suffering with one of those things, don't worry, I got you covered. You all know we are in the summer period, and the body area that is much more exposed to the sun gets more darker than the rest of my skin. As you can see, my face is darker than the rest of my skin. So I'm gonna be using these 3 products from my kitchen to achieve all that. So guys, if you're somebody who has all those I mentioned, you can do this DIY mask 3 times a week. But if your skin is just like mine or more better than mine, you can do this skin mask just once a week. So guys, if you already follow me to my kitchen, and let's get started. So guys, to come out with this mask, all you need is your bowl. Milk has a lot of lactic acid that helps to hydrate your skin and gives you that baby glue. So we will be using milk. And also we will be using honey. We all know how beneficial honey is to the body. There's a lot of antibacterial property in it, and which is very beneficial to the body. And the last thing we'll be using is the turmeric powder. This turmeric powder helps to fight any black spot in your skin, hyperpigmentation. It reduces the acne scar from your skin and gives you that glow, that brightening effect of your skin. So we will just go further to make this mask. So what I do is I will just put some amount of turmeric into this bowl. I don't really measure this turmeric, I just eyeball. So this is the amount of turmeric we have. And I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of milk, honey, So guys, I'm just mixing everything together until I have the consistency that I am going in for. Guys, I also forgot to mention that this turmeric powder helps to exfoliate your skin and get rid of all the dead skins. I'm going to be using this makeup brush to apply the mask on my body. I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eyes because I want to get rid of the dark circles around my eyes. So this is what I look like. I was just going to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and when it's dried off, then I just hop into the shower and wash everything and show you guys how it looks like. I'm done washing off the marks, and this is what my face and my body looks like. So I will just go ahead to steam my face. I will be steaming my face with this face steamer. So I will just go ahead to steam my face to open up my pores after all the treatment. Use my cotton pad and this toner to clean up my face. Now I will be applying my face serum. I just shake it up. I gently massage everything into my skin. Guys, we have come to the end of this video, and you can see how my skin is glowing. So guys, if you have a troubled skin or acne skin or hyperpigmentation, I will advise you to do this at least 3 times per week. But if you just have a skin like my own without any trouble, or you just want to do something, you just want to perfect it, I will advise you to do this once every week. So you can see how my skin is glowing. You can see how soft and natural looking my skin is. So this is how good and effective this mask is. I'll advise you to try it, and if you try this mask, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you find it, and let me know how it is working for you. So once again, I want to thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep coming to my channel because I have more skincare video for you all. Bye.